Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin's big SIR attack on the BJP. Stalin Jr. says BJP axing voters against it. So big remark by Udayanidhi Stalin ahead of Tamil Nadu all-party meeting on this special intensive revision. Udayanidhi Stalin says that Bihar special intensive revision exercise exposed voter fraud. So that's the remark that has been made by Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin opposing the special intensive revision in Tamil Nadu and also alleging that it's a bid by the BJP to axe the voters who are against it. Listen in.
We have continuously opposed the special intensive registration of this SIR issue. We have continuously been against it, and we have told all the reasons. We have seen what they have done in the Bihar elections with the proof, and the Supreme Court has also made some decisions. We want them to follow the decision, and especially the rainfalls and with the elections coming in the next 4-5 months. We think it's done on purpose, intentionally, to somehow capture the power of Tamil Nadu. Today, our Honorable Chief Minister has convened the all-party meeting, and he has opened the invitation to all the party leaders. So let them come and give their views on it, and our leader will take a very good decision on it.
And my colleague Pramod Madhav is now joining us with more on this story. Pramod, a very good morning to you. Sharp remark and attack coming to the fore by Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin against the BJP, calling the special intensive revision a bid to remove the anti-BJP voters.
Actually, Anjali, not just now, earlier onwards itself, like Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has been multiple times saying that the special intensive revision is nothing but a form of bringing in voters who would favor the BJP and to remove voters, especially of the minority communities, women and working class. This is how the Chief Minister has classified SIR, special intensive revision, and has called it as a conspiracy web. And that's the reason. After SIR was announced for Tamil Nadu, within an hour, the Chief Minister called for a meeting of the allied parties where it was decided to conduct an all-party meeting, which we're expecting to start anytime between 10:30 and 11 today. And 65 parties have been given invitation, including AIDMK and Tamil Nadu Vechi Kazhagam as well. But are they participating or not? We have to wait and watch. But the Chief Minister has very clearly mentioned that SIR will be extremely harmful for the state of Tamil Nadu, as he believes that this is a way for AIDMK and BJP to actually come to power, Anjali.
All right, Pramod, thank you for those details and for that context. But